The 2009 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, four-wheel drive, dual front airbags, four-wheel ABS, power steering, air conditioning, front, cruise control, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, trip odometer, fog lamps, power door locks, security system, power windows, bed liner, leather, chrome wheels, leather wrapped steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, power driver mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.